Okay, so this is the ferrofluid experiment, or the magnetic fluid experiment. So we have um, our ink, which I actually already emptied into my cup because it was kind of messy and it took a long time, so I did that beforehand. We have vegetable oil, and we have a magnet. So I didn't have that much ink to get out of there. In the video it said around 50 milliliters, but I obviously don't have that much, so I'm just going to put in less vegetable oil. So I'm going to add the vegetable oil to the ink. Sorry, that's my cat meowing. So, and then I'm going to stir it. Don't have a stick, so and it says to stir it so that it's a thin liquid. There's a screw in here. Okay. There's a screw in here from that ink cartridge. Take that out. Okay. So it's pretty thin consistency. Hopefully this works. I wasn't sure if the ink was the, where did I put it, correct type of ink, because I know it said toner, and this is just an ink cartridge, so we'll see if this works. So I have my magnet here. I'm going to put it under here. Doesn't look like it's working. I think it might be because the ink cartridge is different than the ink toner, the toner powder. So I think that might be why it's not working with the magnet. So to explain what should have happened and why it should have happened, this substance is called a ferrofluid because it's a liquid that contains particles that are magnetic, so they're attracted to magnets, and they become strongly magnetized in the presence of a magnet. And I saw that they described it as a colloidal substance because of the magnetic particles in a liquid carrier, and the ink was supposed to act as this magnetic particle. So I think that the toner is different than the ink cartridge, so I assume that the toner just has magnetic particles in it and the ink cartridge doesn't, which is why mine didn't work. And then the vegetable oil that I used acted as the liquid carrier, which prevented clumping from the ferrofluid. So I think that if I would have used the toner, it would have had the magnetic particles in it, so then it would have worked and made those little spikes when you put the magnet on it. So yeah, that's what should have happened for this ferrofluid experiment.